thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 6 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Calhoun, or 32 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.